All right, maybe another little helpful thing. See, they're in there deep, if you can see down there. So blow it out good. I got my trusty old air hose here as I'm going through trying to clean stuff out. What's also weird about these, didn't really pay attention to until I started screwing with how the coils came out. This side, the driver's side, they all kind of angle towards the radiator, and on the other side, I was looking at them, it looks like they angle towards the firewall. So that means number 5 is probably going to be a ton of fun. But another thing, while I'm thinking about it, I noticed a lot of guys are talking about their I think it's the PCV valve, right? And there's this boot that sucks right there. It goes up to the back of the throttle body. Mine does not. I don't know if someone modded this, but it's got a really long ass line, and it goes around to the other side of the throttle body right there. So I'm not really sure what that's all about. I don't really know shit about these things. Also, if anyone knows where to get these like slotted bolts, maybe I'll have to weld some up and just make my own. But I screwed them up when I had the I don't know, inside of the plastic piece there on the wheel well, whatever you call that thing. When I did the studs, the exhaust manifold studs, that's a whole nother. That's actually, we should talk about that real quick. So if you're gonna buy one of these, or you're looking for something, first thing you want to do is check out the old studs right there. See them? See those guys? They're fun. All of mine were broke but one, and took my good buddy Noah and Willie, us three on a weekend, welding 3/8 nuts on the end of those and spraying it with automatic transmission fluid and I can't think of it right now, acetone 50/50. Heat it up, let it soak in, and then hope for the best. It's horrible, but those are done now. But anyway, got off topic. These here, so when I pulled that out, you know, of course to weld, because it just gave me more room. So when I pulled this bad boy out, I screwed up the slotted little bolts they had there that slot in this, what I don't even know what this is, some type of vacuum reservoir of some sort. Yeah, so I just have that, like, you know, it's doing what it's doing, and it's pulling on my vacuum lines probably a little too much, but hey. Rusted shit box, rusted shit box.